Recording the sewer line here at 4534 Thackeray Place, Northeast. Dates December 10th, 2020. Making this recording from the clean out here in the basement of the home. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City mainline sewer running up and down Thackeray. About 90 feet out from this clean out. We're going to zero out our footage, come back from this point, and get a good look at the line. Or we are not going to zero out our footage because it's not cooperating. So we're just going to know we're sitting at 89 feet and 2 inches, coming back through this 6-inch diameter clay line. So this is clay, diameter, 6-inch pipe. Got somebody flushing the toilet or running a little water here. There you go. So we got little minor roots coming into this section. Something to keep an eye on, something that will probably need to be maintained. And this is a section that's been replaced. So now this is when we started, 89 feet, we're back to 69, so there's about 20 feet of original clay piping still down running underneath Thackeray that will need to be addressed at some point, but it looks in decent shape right now. Coming back now, that's the neighbor's Y tie-in right down here at the bottom of this loop. It's kind of hard to see, but that's where that water is coming from, is the neighboring house right there. So about 63 feet out where that neighbor's line comes into this line. Coming back now into 4-inch diameter pipe. So we transition right here from 6-inch to 4-inch. So now we are in 4-inch diameter pipe. Still won't cooperate with me zeroing out the footage, but we're going to say we're sitting right here at 57. Coming back, nice size root there, nice size root there. A little bit of an offset right there. Big root there coming in, pushing the pipe apart. You see it starting to push it like that. There's a massive root right there that you can't even really get eyes on because it's kind of holding up sewage. So we'll let a bunch of that drain down again, but this is our main clog spot, is right here, and you can kind of see that there's just a big pinched off root there, or root that's pinching off the line, I should say. See if we can't flush some more of this waste that's behind it out and get a better look at the root. That almost looks like a baby wipe or something like that. That got stuck there. Yeah. Massive wad of toilet paper. Try to knock that free a bit. Yeah, that offset's catching up. Large piles of toilet paper right there. You can see there's a root and an offset there. Another offset there. Another large pile of sewage right there. So we're going cast iron to clay right here. About 67 back to 12, about 55 feet of pipe that needs to be, well, we would dig out this section to about right here. So the liner would start here. So it'd be about 47 feet of liner and a dig that starts about right there. So I'm going to end the video there. We've seen the line. I'm going to go do some locating.